Delhi, where Jagdish Titler is present in Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee's event where Sheila Dikshit is going to be taking charge. Now, Titler is present at the Top Delhi Congress event. What explains Jagdish Titler's presence? In fact, Anuj continues to break the story and he's there with us. So, is this on invite? Is this formally he's attending the function? Was he on an invitee list? And if yes, then that means that Congress wants some sort of role for Jagdish Titler in Delhi. What explains his presence there when he's already in the thick of a controversy for 1984 anti-Sikh riots? Anuj.
Well, this is something what everybody is looking from the Congress now. This answer is something which is expected by the Congress party, that what Jagdish Titler is doing there in that ceremony. Because obviously this is now the game change in the Delhi. For the game change in Delhi, now Sheila Dikshit has been appointed. Ajay Bakan has already given the resignation. But the presence of Jagdish Titler in that particular ceremony is really something which led Congress party with a big question, because we do know that Sajjan Kumar is already convicted and behind the bar, and Jagdish Titler, who is also one of the main accused, if he is present in that particular ceremony, then what is the really ideology of the Congress party? And Congress party need to explain the same. We are waiting for the visuals to come out. But yes, we confirm that Jagdish Titler was present there, is present there in that particular ceremony where Sheila Dikshit is joining as the DPCC chief. We have already seen Jagdish Titler as well as Sajjan Kumar present in numbers of events of the Congress party. So there, Congress party exposes again, like the Congress party is exposed again. And because yes, they are not denying, they are not telling Jagdish Titler to stay away or what is their stand on the 1984. So this is something which is obviously going to hurt Congress party again, and this is really expected from the Congress party now to give an answer what Jagdish Titler is doing there when Sheila Dikshit is taking charge as DPCC chief. Back to you.
No, but Anuj, this is a formal event. It cannot be a coincidence that you have a leader like Jagdish Titler, is already very controversial, landing there at DPCC event. Well, Congress will have to explain this, and that too in an event where Sheila Dikshit is all set to take over from Ajay Bakan.
Well, actually, as you are pointing it out, this is a formal event. This is not an event which is organized on a road. This is not a protest. This is not a rally. But this is an formal event where now the new DPCC chief is joining the office after Ajay Bakan. This is going to be the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit, who is joining formally DPCC as DPCC chief. But the presence of Jagdish Titler really left Congress party with a big question that what is their stand, because we have seen recently what happened after the conviction of Sajjan Kumar. He is already convicted, already behind the bar, and now Jagdish Titler, who is also one of the main accused in the case, leave Congress party with the bigger question that what is the logic of his presence in these kind of meeting, in these kind of ceremony, in these kinds of program. So this is really what we are asking Congress party today, and not we only, every family who is victim of 1984 riots has always asked Congress party about whether this is Sajjan Kumar, about Jagdish Titler, about even Kamal Nath.
Is he going to be given some sort of assignment there, because Jagdish Titler has already represented Delhi's Sadar Lok Sabha constituency. We'll have to see, because this cannot be a pure coincidence considering Jagdish Titler's earlier role as far as Delhi's politics is considered. Because he has been there, he represented important constituencies of Delhi in Lok Sabha when Congress was at the helm. So could there be a possibility that Jagdish Titler is looking at a bigger role when it comes to Delhi politics under Sheila Dikshit?
Well, this is really something which is to wait and watch, that what will be the move of the Congress party, because yes, when there is new committee, there is a new appointment in the Delhi committee going on. When the new DPCC chief has been appointed, there are numbers of other members who have been appointed. So this is the really bigger question at this point in time. Will Jagdish Paitler will be the official part of this committee of this Delhi DPCC office? So this is really what we are looking for. But his presence against make the controversy and leave Congress party with a bigger question.
Anuj, you stay with us as we are also, as you speak over the visuals, beaming these visuals live of the DPCC event where Sheila Dikshit is going to take over as the in-charge looking. And that's Jagdish Tytler there, sitting pretty much in the front row, interacting with other leadership of the Congress party in New Delhi. That's the side profile of the man there, Jagdish Tytler. Why is Jagdish Tytler there? What really explains his presence? Has he been invited? Is there a role for Jagdish Tytler, who has already represented Congress in Sadr constituency of Delhi? Anuj, now, yes, it's official. Jagdish Tytler sitting there in the front row in the DPCC event where Sheila Dikshit takes over.
Well, this is it. These are the visuals, and visuals are speaking themselves and really asking question to the Congress party. Now Congress party need to come out and clear their stand. What is their stand on Jagdish Tytler? We have been asking the question, not only we, every citizen of Delhi is asking the question to the Congress party, that what is their stand on Jagdish Tytler. Earlier this was Sajjan Kumar, who was always seen in the programs of the Congress party, and now today again, not the first time, Jagdish Tytler again in the program of the Congress party, when this is a formal program, when Sheila Dikshit is now joining the office as the DPCC chief, and again the controversial man, the main accused in 1984, sitting there in the front row, is really leaving Congress party with a big question. And Congress party at this point in time need to come out and clear their stand, that what is their stand for the people of Delhi, what is their stand for the victims of 1984, because this is not the first time, let me remind you once again, when Jagdish Tytler is being seen in these kinds of program of the Congress party, whether this is protest, whether this is a program, whether this is other functions, Jagdish Tytler presence has been always noticed in such kind of program. One side, Congress party is saying that we are for the people and we have worked for the Delhi people. Now Sheila Dikshit taking charge and coming up with the new promises. On the other hand, now this prove the ideology of the Congress party, and the visuals speaking themselves, making it very much clear that what does Congress party work on. Back to you.
No, but we can at least make out from these visuals, he has been invited there. He is sitting in the front row. In fact, as we stay with these visuals, let's once again revisit a couple of events. Anuj, you remember, in fact, you also covered that Rajghat event, if you remember, in 2018 last year. I think it was the month of April or May, where Jagdish Tytler and Sajjan Kumar were asked to leave the stage. And there were a lot of protests that mounted there. But this, again, is a Congress event, a formal event, where Jagdish Tytler is one of the invitees.
Well, actually, Sakal, I do remember that event, what you are talking about. There it was Sajjan Kumar and Jagdish Tytler who was present in that particular protest. When they were talking about the favor of the nation, when they were talking about the nation, when they were talking about the farmers, there we have already seen the presence of Jagdish Tytler as well as Sajjan Kumar. And that is what I am reminding again and again, that this is not the first time when Jagdish Tytler is seen in the formal program of the Congress party. On one side, Congress party trying to aside themselves, to sideline themselves of these controversial leaders. But yes, on the same time, we can clearly see in the visuals, and visuals again and again I'm saying are speaking themselves. This is visuals, visuals are telling to everybody that what exactly the reality of the Congress party is. And now the Congress party is exposed one again when Jagdish Tytler in such a formal program, when new DPCC chief is joining the office, is sitting in that very front front row is seriously leave out Congress with a bigger question. That the question is Congress party now going to make Jagdish Titler a person who will be responsible for the Delhi? Is this something that now Jagdish Titler will be getting new responsibilities from the DPCC office? As yes, he was a Congress leader. He has seen Delhi. So this is the larger question. What is the strategy of Congress party? What is the next line of the Congress party? What are their plan for the 1984 victims? So this is seriously which leaves Congress. Yes, Sakal.
Do you think this is going to trigger, political reactions, particularly from the likes of Shiromani Akali Dal? Earlier, remember when that news of, Sajjan Kumar came up, his conviction became national headline. Many would say that, now the focus shifts to others. Sad at that point in time, Shiromani Akali Dal said that now the focus should be on the bigger fish. Now, who is the bigger fish? The bigger leaders of the Congress who have been allegedly involved in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots, namely Jagdish Titler and Kamal Nath. That's what they said then. But now this is a formal event. Do you think there's going to be some sort of political reaction triggered by these visuals where Jagdish Titler is seen in that front row in that Congress event?
Well, obviously, Rakal, this is going to be more politically affected now, and political ramifications can be seen after this visuals. These visuals are out now, and we will see the political development. We do remember how Shiromani Akali Dal people was protesting when it was Sajjan Kumar. We do remember how Jagdish Titler and Kamal Nath was named by the Shiromani Akali Dal leader, and not only the Shiromani Akali Dal leader, but also the BJP. Though all the parties is not going to leave this opportunity when Congress is again on the setback. Congress has again made it very much clear that now, no, they are not going to leave Jagdish Titler, they are not going to lead Kamal Nath, and they are their leaders.
We have Manjinder Sirsa of the Shiromani Akali Dal joining us on phone line. Sirsa ji, कैसे देखते हैं आप इस डेवलपमेंट को? आप ही ने कहा था जब कन्विक्शन हुआ था सज्जन कुमार का कि now focus shifts on जगदीश टाइटलर and Kamal Nath, और आज वो वहां पे शीला दीक्षित की टेक ओवर सेरेमनी में बैठे हुए एज अ फॉर्मल इनवाइटी.
हमने बार बार इस बात को दोहराया है, कांग्रेस ने हमेशा ही 1984 के काफलों को अपने सीने से लगा कर रखा है. रीजन बीइंग वो जानते हैं कि अगर हमने इनको दूर किया तो हमारे सारे ये पर्दे फाश करेंगे और बड़े बड़े चेहरों के नाम बाहर आ जाएं. अब भी आज की ये सेरेमनी हो चाहे इससे पहले हो, ये बड़ी स्पष्ट करती है जगदीश टाइटलर, सज्जन कुमार, कमलनाथ, एचकेएल भगत इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे. ये सब वो लोग थे जिन्होंने कांग्रेस के बिहाफ पे, कांग्रेस हाईकमांड के बिहाफ पर बेगुनाह सिखों का कत्लेआम किया था. इसलिए कांग्रेस की मजबूरी है उनको अपने साथ रखना और पूरे देश में ये मैसेज देना कि वो उनके साथ खड़े हैं. राहुल गांधी ने भी स्पष्ट कहा.
जगदीश टाइटलर को साथ रखने में क्या कांग्रेस की मजबूरी हो सकती है? इलेक्शंस आ रहे हैं. जगदीश टाइटलर को इस इवेंट में फॉर्मली बुलाने का क्या कारण हो सकता है? Why would Congress want a controversy at this point? Do you suspect there could be a role for Jagdish Titler, considering he's already represented important constituencies for Congress in Lok Sabha, like Sadar constituency?
It is not about their compulsion. Compulsion is only this. They want to give a strong message to the judiciary, to the police system, to the investigation agency that we are behind Jagdish Titler as we were behind Sajjan Kumar. So nobody would dare to touch them. Nobody would implement them in that cases where they are required, because there is enough evidence against Jagdish Titler and Congress wants to save him. That is the reason. It is not just that it is in the program.
Do you
it is
think this
that
is
they
going
want
to
to show
backfire
that we
Congress
are with
party
Congress.
this time around? Mr. Sirsa, do you think ये backfire हो सकता है कांग्रेस के लिए? This is going to backfire, this move of inviting Jagdish Titler, if at all he is invited in a formal capacity today? If we can... All right, we'll try and revisit this story in a bit and get you more dope on this, because Jagdish Titler is in fact invited in that DPCC event where 3 times Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit is all set to be taking over. She's all set to take over as Congress's Delhi chief, and there you have the man sitting in the front row.